guys, this is Moz here from Moz6510 Models. We're a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. So, Monogram 1984 catalogue. Today we'll be going through this page by page. It will be filmed in HD, so go to the cog settings and change it to 1080p and you'll be able to see this catalogue crystal clear. Don't forget, you can pause the video at any time if there's something that catches your eye. So let's start now with this cracking little catalogue. So that was Monogram's catalogue from 1984. We hope you enjoyed that. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any comments, questions, put them in the box below and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.